Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Irda, NPM 221133. Kali ini saya akan menjelaskan mengenai case study yang saya analisis. The session number is 534 garing pit B garing 2024 garing PN Bandung. In the case is background of fraud case involving two defendants, namely defendant 1 is named Randy Julian alias Panjur bin almarhum Teddy Gumilar, and defendant 2 named is Randy Maulana bin almarhum Teddy Gumilar, who are known to be siblings. This fraud case occurred on Sunday, 28 April 2024 at approximately 9 in front of Mutiara Junior High School on Jalan Ciberem, RT 1, RW 1, Cempaka Village, Andir Subdistrict, Bandung City. In the case start when the defendant 1 and defendant 2 passed the victim who was a minor riding a motorcycle with his friend. So the defendant 1, defendant 2 had the intention of taking the motorcycle by pretending that the motorcycle drive by defendant 1 and defendant 2 had broke down. The victim is Fairuz Arifin, a minor, was riding a white Honda Beat motorcycle with his friend on Jalan Ciberem, Bandung City. On the way, they passed defendant 1 and defendant 2. As a result of defendant's deceitful action towards the victim lost his motorcycle because he was deceived by defendant 1 and defendant 2. And then Gilang Sanjaya is the owner of Black Honda Beat motorcycle, which was used by defendant to commit this fraud to motorcycle was in the possession of defendant because the defendant took it from the victim wife. And then preliminary investigation one is incident or chronology. On Sunday, on Sunday 28 April 24 at approximately 9 or at least at some time in April 2024 or at least include in 2024 located in front of Mutiara Junior High School, Jalan Ciberem, Cempaka Village, Andir Subdistrict, Bandung City, or at least in place still include the jurisdiction of the Bandung Class 1 A District Court with intent to unfully benefit himself of or other by using a false name or false dignity by deception or a series of lies moving other to hand over something to him or to give debts or right of receivables either as a perpetrator to perpetrator of defendant commits the acts in the following manner. It starts when the defendant one Randy and defendant two named Randy Maulana were riding together on black Honda Beat motorbike with the installed police number D6463 UDX passing Jalan Ciberem, Kota Bandung. Then defendant passed a white Honda Beat motorbike with the police number D5156 ABB, which was driven by a minor, namely the witness Fairuz Julpa Arifin riding with his friend, namely the name is Reja, lalu Ishak, Angga, and the defendant one saw the motorcycle being ridden by the children, and then the intention of the defendant one was to take the motorcycle. Then the defendant one invite the defendant two to take the motorcycle driven by witness of virus by pretending that the motorcycle that defendant we are riding broke down. The then defendant one got off his motorbike to call witness Virus and his friend who were about to turn around after stopping the defendant one pretend to ask for the address of Mutiara Elementary School. Then the witness Virus to take the defendant to Mutiara Elementary School, but when they arrived at Mutiara Elementary School, the defendant one said that what the defendant means was Mutiara Junior High School, not Mutiara Elementary School, so that the witness Virus dropped the defendant against to Mutiara Junior High School. Before arriving, At Mutiara Junior High School, the defendant one pretend that the motorbike was riding had broke down and then asked the witness Virus to help stay push using his foot, but the witness Virus and his friend unable to step. Then the defendant one said, "Let me step." Then the witness Virus Jova and Angga got the off their motorbike, and the defendant's behavior and words caused the witness Virus to believe him, and the defendant one picked up to the witness Reja and Isaac on a motorbike belonging to the witness Virus to Mutiara Junior High School. The witness Virus Jova Arifin did not suppose and was worried to that his motorbike would not be lost, so that witness Virus hand over or give his motorbike to defendant one, then defendant one rode the motorbike to Mutiara Junior High School. Then defendant one, the motorcycle belonging to the witness Virus with the witness Reja, Isaac, then defendant two rode a motorcycle with the witness Virus and Angga. When passing Jalan Burung Tungku Bandung City, defendant one told defendant two to wait around the place with the witness Virus and Angga. The defendant one, together with the witness Reja and Isa continued to Mutiara Junior High School. Arriving in front of Mutiara Junior High School, the defendant Wong told the witness Reja and Isaac to get off the motorcycle and wait in front Junior High School on the ground that he wanted to take the broke down motorcycle to the halter area and someone will pick them up later. Then the defendant one returned to Jalan Burung Tungku Bandung to pick up defendant 2, but before arriving at the place where defendant 2 together with the witness Virus and Angga were waiting. Defendant 1 first picked or hit the motorcycle belonging to witness Virus. Then defendant 1 walked to defendant 2, witness Virus, and Angga, the defendant left while saying to witness Virus that the motorbike was with your friend. He will pick you up later. Then the defendant pushed the black Honda Beat motorcycle with the name Police D6463 UDX, which seems to have broke down where the motorcycle belonging to witness Virus was hidden. Then after that, the defendant immediately took the motorcycle belonging to witness Virus Jova to his house, and then the act of the defendant are as said or out punishably in article 6378 of the Penal Code, Junto Article 55, paragraph 121 to the Penal Code. And then number 2 is witness statement. A is there is a witness statement from Nanny under oath that the witness is the mother of the victim child, Fairuz Arifin, that on Sunday, 28 April 2024, at approximately 9 a.m. in front at Mutiara Junior High School, Jalan Ciberem, Bandung, the defendant stole a Honda Beat FI Sporty motorcycle belonging to the witness, which was being ridden by the victim child. The motorbike was purchased on credit through BAF leasing and was still under the name of the previous owner, and Jumadin. That innately, the defendant pretends to ask the victim child to help to push the motorbike with her claim her broke down. After that, the defendant asked the victim child to wait in front of Mutiara Junior High School, but he did not return. The victim child named home crying, came home crying and reported the incident to her mother, who report it to Andir police station. The witness support estimates loss of uh, 5 14 million rupiah. The motorcycle was insured and was still in the process of being paid in the settlement with 26 of total 33 times already paid. The defendant amidst the testimony of the witness. And then B is there is witness statement from the child witness Virus Julfa that on Sunday, 28 April 2024 at approximately 9 a.m. in front of Mutiara Junior High School, Jalan Ciberem, Bandung, the defendant commits fraud against the witness child by pretending that their motorcycle had broke down. Then the defendant asks for help from the witness daughter for who was riding a white Honda Beat motorbike belonging to her mother Nani Marliani with her friends. That the defendant to advancing of the situation to ask the witness son to hand over the motorcycle with the witness friend, but then the drop off the witness friend and hit the motorcycle. The witness child intentionally did not suppose anything because the defendant broke his friends, but the motorbike was never returned. And as a result of this incident, the witness suffered a loss of 14 million rupiah. The defendant confirmed enrolled in the crime as of fraud and abasement. And then C is there is witness statement from the child witness Raja Bayu alias Ija that on Sunday, 28 April 2024 at approximately 9 a.m. in front of Mutiara Junior High School, Jalan Ciberem, Bandung, the defendant Randy Julian alias Panjul and Randy Maulana commit fraud and embezzlement of white Honda Beat motorcycle belonging to the mother of the witness friend Nani Marliani. That the modus operandi of the defendant was to pretend that their motorbike had broke down and ask the witness and her friend including Fairuz, to help push the defendant motorbike. The defendant asked for a white Honda Beat motorbike to be used to help with the accused that was going to pick up their younger sibling. However, the defendant took the motorcycle away and left the witness and his friend and defendant location after giving false testimony. As a result of this incident, the victim motorbike float at approximately is 14 million rupiah. Then witness confirmed that the defendant was the perpetrator of the crime of fraud embezzlement. And then last is there is statement from additional witness name is Gilang Sanjaya that the witness is the owner of one black Honda Beat motorcycle that was used by defendant to commit their action in the case. That the motorbike was in the power of defendant because defendant took it from the witness wife. That during the trial, the witness was able to a proof of ownership of motorcycle. And then number three is evidence. One Honda Beat F1 Sporty CBS is SS motorcycle type D1B02 N2 612 AT with police number D 5156 ABW year 2018 white in the color with the frame number MHIZFZI25JK 655679 frame number JFJ1A2658448 in the name of Jane Jumadin was addressed in Jalan Babakan Ciparai Gang Misbah RT 4 RW 2 Bandung City returned to the witness Nani Marliani, and then one unit black of Honda Beat motorcycle returned to witness Gilang Sanjaya. Suspect our defendant one is Randy Julian alias Panjul, almarhum Teddy Gumilar. Defendant two, Randy Maulana bin almarhum Teddy Gumilar. In the background, defendant one and the defendant two there are siblings. The defendant 1 and defendant 2 reside at Jalan Holis Gang Cibuntu, RT 9, RW 3, Cibuntu Village, Bandung Kulon, District Bandung City. Intention, the defendant 1 and defendant 2 cross path with the victim who was a minor riding a motorcycle with his friend. So defendant 1 and defendant 2 had the intention of the taking motorcycle by pretending that the motorcycle driven by defendant 1 and defendant 2 had broke down behavior after the incident after successfully committing the fraud that caused the victim to lose her motorcycle. Defendant 1 and defendant 2 exhibit behavior that relocate an attempt to obscure the trace of their crime. The defendant immediately left the scene of the crime and took the motorcycle to a place that was considered safe to avoid the attention of public of law enforcement. This show a pattern of plan of and cognitive action as well as solving and responsible attitude towards the impact on the victim who was a minor suffered both material emotional losses and then and elements considering that the defendant has been charged by the public prosecution with alternative charge so that panel of judge by showing the legal facts about directly chose the first alternative charge as stipulated in Article 378 of the Criminal Code in conjunction with Article 555, paragraph 1 to 1, the Criminal Code, which element are as follow is number one is number one about the element of who, considering that it's mean by whoever is a legal subject, namely a person who can be held accountable for his action as charged to him. Considering that in the case of the public prosecutor has presented that defendant one named Randy Julians alias uh, Panjul and almarhum Teddy Gumilar and defendant two named Randy Maulana bin almarhum Teddy Gumilar in court confirming that the identity continues in the public prosecutor in indictment in the defendant so that there is no error in persona in the case, considering that based on the observation of the panel of judges, the defendant in the physically and mentally health, so that if the defendant is proven that have committed the crime as charged, the defendant can be held accountable, considering that from this description, the elements of who has been fulfilled. Two is regarding the elements of intending to depend benefit on self or other against the rights, considering that the facts reflect in the trial that though on Sunday 38 uh, 28 April 2024 at approximately 9 a.m. in front of Mutiara Junior High School on Jalan Ciberem, RT 1, RW 1, Kecamatan Cempaka, Kelurahan Cempaka, Kecamatan Andir, Bandung City, in the defendant have taken in their position one Honda Beat with the number MHIZFZ 125 ZK655679, frame number JFJE number 2658448 in the name of Enjen at Jalan Babakan Ciparai, Gang Misbah, RT 4, RW 2, Bandung City, armed by witness Neni Marliani, who was being driven by the victim son Virus Jova Arifin and his friend named is Eja, Isaac, and Angga. That defendant commits their action by riding a Honda Beat motorcycle with a black pole number D6463 UDX on the Ciberem Road and passing the victim son Virus and his friend Eja, Isaac, and Angga, who were riding white Honda Beat motorcycle with the name Pulse number D516 uh, ABW because the motorcycle was being ridden by young children. The defendant one wants to take motorcycle and then invite the defendant to take the motorcycle being ridden by the witness Virus by pretending that the motorcycle that defendant were riding has broken. Then defendant one got off his motorbike and called the witness Virus and his friend who were about to turn around after stopping. The defendant one pretend to ask for the address of the elementary school Mutiara. Then the witness of Virus agreed to take the defendant to Mutiara Elementary School. But when they arrived at Mutiara Elementary School, defendant one said that what the defendant was is mean Mutiara Junior High School, not Mutiara Elementary School. Before arriving at Mutiara Junior High School, defendant one pretend that motorbike has riding had broke down and then asked the witness Virus to help push using foot, but neither that witness Virus not his friend called step. Then defendant one said, "Let me step." Then the witness Virus and Angga got off their motorbike for all the attitudes and words. Defendant one saw that witness Virus believed and the defendant one carried the witness Bayu and Isaac, so they did not suspect and worry that their motorbike would not be lost. Then the witness Virus handed over or gave his motorbike to defendant one. Then defendant one drove the motorbike to defendant. Then the defendant one rode a motorcycle belonged to the witness Virus Arifin with the witness Bayu, uh, Isaac to suppose motorcycle driven by the defendant two with the witness Virus and Angga. When passing Jalan Burung Tangku, Bandung City, the defendant one told defendant two wait around the pass with the witness Virus, Angga, and the defendant one together with the witness Eza and Isaac continued to Mutiara Junior High School. Arriving in front of Mutiara Junior High School, the defendant one told to Eja and Isaac to get off the motorcycle and wait from on Mutiara Junior High School on the ground that he want to take broke down motorcycle to Halte school on the grounds that he wants to the broke down motorcycle to Halte area and someone will pick them up later. Then defendant one returned to Jalan Burung Tungku Bandung to pick up defendant two, but before arriving at the place where defendant two together with the witness Virus and Angga were waiting, defendant one first pick or hit motorcycle belonged to witness Virus. Then the defendant one walked to defendant two, witness Virus and Angga, and then the defendant left while saying to witness Virus Jova, that motorcycle was with your friend. He will pick you up later. Then defendant pushed the black Honda Beat motorcycle, which seems to have broke down to where the motorcycle belonging to witness Virus was hidden. Then after that, the defendant immediately took the motorcycle belonged to the witness Virus. That as a result, that action of the defendant, the witness Neni Mariani, suffers as lost 14 million rupiah. Considering that based on the armed formats legal facts, the defendant with full awareness were able to control one Honda Beat uh, in Babakan Ciparai, Gang Musibah RT 4 RW 2 Bandung City belong to witness Neni Merliani. The motorcycle was controlled by the fan with the permission of the owner, namely the witness Neni Marliani, and the store and the home of the fan, so that action of the defense filled the elements with the intents. And elements number three in concerning the element of including by means of a false name or false situation, either by means or tricks, and decide by means falsehood. Considering that include, it defined it to accept in fools by cunning over a person so that the person agreed to do something which if knew the real situation he will not to do, considering that the composition of false word is required the several false word are which are uttered in structured manner so as to constitute a story that can be accepted as logical and true, considering that based on the aforementioned legal facts that defender were able surgery encounter one Honda Beat and the number police 516 ABW uh, is the name of Jumadin, Jalan Babakan Ciparai, RT 4 RW 2 Bandung City, owner by witness Neni Marliani, pertaining to half the victim Virus Julfa Arifin and his friend named Eja Isak Angga to deliver to a place, then pretend that the motorcycle driven by the defendant had broke down, and then the defendant asked for help so that the victim Virus and his friend will push the motorcycle with their feet so that finally the Venom could to the take over and control the white Honda Beat motorcycle driven by the victim Virus, considering that action of the defender asking to deliver it to a place then their motorbike had broke down were actually lies, because in reality the defendant did not have a destination and the defendant's motorbike had not broken. This is was just an attempt by the defendant to persuade the victim Virus and her friend to hand over a motorcycle. Considering the best on the aforementioned facts, the action of the defendant fulfilled the elements of persuading using false words. Elements number 4 on the element of causing other to give goods, the create debts or cancel receivable considering that based on the more messy legal facts from a series or false statement, the defendant, the victim child of Virus and her friend hand over one Honda Beat is considering that based on the legal facts, the four element is fulfilled. And number 5, the element of being considered as person who commits a criminal offense is the person who commits other to commits or participates in the acts, yaitu considering that Article 55 state the person who commits criminal offense shall be punished. The person who commits other the commits or participates the commits or the offense, considering that where it's mean by a co-perpetrator in that there are at least two person, namely the perpetrator and the cooperator of the criminal event, but often must carry of the accusation, considering that based on illegal facts, relief a trial crying out their action, their defendant collaborate with each other to share their roles, namely, one, the defendant one told the victim daughter Virus and her friend to ask to the drop off somewhere and said that the motorbike he was driving and had broke down and asked to be pushed to took over the steering wheel of the motorbike driven by the victim daughter, and he did. And number 2, the second defense dropped the motorcycle that was said to have broke down, and together with the first defendant took control of the motorcycle, the victim child. Considering that based on the legal fact, the action, the defendant fulfilled the elements of participation in the acts, considering that because all elements of Article 378 of the Penal Code, junto Article 5.5, paragraph 1 to 1 of the Penal Code has been fulfilled, that the defendant must be declared legally and proven to have committed the crime as charged in a single indictment. And then court. First allegation, the acts of the defendant as fraud are regulated and punishable under Article 378 of the Indonesian Penal Code, which reads, whoever with intent unfully benefit himself or another by using a false name or false dignity, deceit or series of lies in executes another person to deliver any property to him or to give debt or to cancel debt shall being guilty of fraud be punished a maximum imprisonment of 4 years. Junto Article 55, paragraph 1 to 1 of the Article Criminal Codes, which reads thus: who commit, thus who order to commit, and thus who participate in the acts. And then prosecution is number one, declare the defendant one, Randy Julian alias Panjul, almarhum Teddy Gumilar, and defendant two, Randy Maulana bin Teddy Gumilar, were found guilty of committing the crime of fraud as stipulated in the Article 378 of the Criminal Code, which reads whoever with the intent to unfully benefit himself or another by means of a false name or a false dignity, decide or series of lie, including another person to deliver any property to him or to give adapt to cancel adapt selling being guilty of fraud be punished by a maximum imprisonment of 4 years. Junto Article 55, Paragraph 1 to 1, the Criminal Code, which reads, those who commit, those who are ordered to commit, and those who participate in the acts. And number two, to impose a person sentenced against the defendant one, Randy Julian alias Panjul bin Teddy Gumilar, and defendant two, Randy Maulana bin Teddy Gumilar each other for 2 years and 6 months imprisonment dedicated for the period of the sentence that has been served with the order of remand custody. And number three, starting the evidence in the from one Honda Beat in the year 2018 white color with the frame number and frame number in the name of name Jumadin Wu address in Jalan Babakan Ciparai, Gang Musibah, RT 4 RW 2 Bandung City, return to the witness Neni Marliani, and, and one unit black Honda Beat motorcycle returned to Gilang Sanjaya as the rightful owner that uh, according to proof of ownership, that the defendant be burned paid to cost 2,000 rupiah. Punishment. One, declare that the first defendant Rani Julian alias Panjul bin Teddy Gumilar and the second defendant Randy Maulana bin Teddy Gumilar have been proven legally and convictly guilty of commencing the crime participation in fraud as charged in the first alternative charge of the public prosecutor. Number two, standing the defendant, therefore 2 years imprisonment each. Number three, determining that the periods or arrest and the sentence served by defendant shall be dedicated in the full from the punish imposed. And number four, determine that the defendant remain in detention. And number five, determining the defendant in form of one Honda Beat FY Sporty CBS IES motorcycle type D1BO2N2612 AT with pulse number D5156 ABW 28 white color with the frame number MHIZFZ125JK655679 frame number JFJ1E2658448 in the frame name of Jumadin was addressed in Jalan Babakan Ciparai, Gang Musibah RT 4 RW 2 Bandung City, returned to witness Neni Marliani, and one unit black Honda Beat motorcycle returned to witness Galang Sinjaya. And the defendant charged the cost of this case of defendant in amounts 2,000 rupiah. Thank you. Stop share.